In Portland, we don't just read stories, we live them. The sidewalks are galleries, the cafes are studios, the whole city is a canvas. Hi, my name is Brian Michael Bendis. I'm a comic book creator here in Portland, Oregon. I've been lucky enough to write all of my childhood and adult heroes in Spider-Man, Superman, Avengers, Justice League, Legion of Superheroes, co-creating characters like Miles Morales and Jessica Jones and Ironheart. It's kind of incredible how many working professional comic book creators of different walks of life live right here in Portland. It is genuinely a hub of the industry. There's Helioscope Studios, Dark Horse Comics, Image Comics, and literally I think hundreds of comic book creators, pencilers, inkers, writers, colorists, all walks of life. There's nothing like a rainy day in Portland where you just know everyone's at their desk trying to make magic. There's something about that that inspires you. There's no excuse for you not to be doing the same. There's these places in every comic store in the area. There's just literally now dozens, if not hundreds, of events where people can get together and just express their love of art. Books with Pictures is one of quite a few outstanding, not just good, but outstanding comic book bookstores that are very focused on how they want to curate their store, and each one of them is different. You can come to Books with Pictures, Things from Another World. Powell's is, for people who don't know, the biggest bookstore in the world, and over the last couple of years, they've really connected with their graphic novel space. There's an amazing amount of just stuff going on. And we haven't even talked about the manga, which is huge in this neck of the woods. Often I'll see like a parade of manga and anime characters just walking down the street. I'm like, oh good, they're going somewhere cool. There's the now open Northwest Museum of Comic Arts. There's always guest lecturers and authors. There's so much in the event space going on that I'm always like, oh, I can't do everything. Like you could be busy every night being inspired and part of a community. Every city has a vibe. When you come to Portland, you immediately are struck with some kind of next level creative energy going on. There's this feeling of no one's judging you. They're just like rooting for you to be the best version of yourself you can be. In Portland, you can see creativity everywhere. Comic shops, bookstores, and coffee shops. You can see it in the galleries. You can see it at the food carts. You don't just visit Portland, you get inspired by it.